best way to get an M3 is dig it out from all the weeds around it. Oh, it was already growing in it. Oh man. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. Hey, we got another hub and some stuff in there. Didn't remember getting that, but whatever. I'll take it. Oh, clean it up. Oh, hi, love. What's up, everybody? Jonathan here at 625 Inc. We got a new car that we got going on right behind me, and I just wanted to do a quick overview and have you guys go along for this whole build. Nice little crease right there. A little bit of light damage. She's all good though. Yep, real M3 again. She's crusty, she's dirty. She's the dirtiest of the dirty. What's up, everybody? I'm just gonna show you a quick, if you're buying the mounting kit for the E36, what you have to do for the subframe to make it fit. I've already done this side. You just cut here off, then I'm gonna cut here off, and then you flip it, flip the bolts. You just have to flip actually this one side. Our car already had the steering shaft kind of out, so that's why it's like this. And that's all, and you're done. So we are putting our K24, if you see it's a RAA, which it's an A4 out of an Accord, and we use the PMC adapter plate in our kit for the ZF Trans. Or that means it's a fast car, boy. So yeah, so I just torqued these up, put them on so you retain the one dowel pin right here, and then they have another little dowel pin that's right in there. And yeah, so far so good. Kareem's working on some mount kits right now, so we'll try and get this together. If your motor is a manual motor like this one, there is a little spacer in there for the manual transmission. You have to remove it so that the flywheel will then go on. And there we go, flywheel is on. We are using 4-piston heavy hitter bolts for a K series. We're gonna hope that these fit. They do not fit if you're using the Clutch Master kit. If you're using the S2000 trans, just to give you a heads up, but I'm gonna check this out and I'll let you know. Alrighty, so now we got the heavy hitter bolts from 4-piston in. The reason why we're using them is due to the fact that this car should be making somewhere in the close range of 800 horsepower, maybe a little bit more, maybe a little bit less. The whole idea with this is just not giving a shit and just sending it. The motor is a regular K24A2 or A4, sorry, out of an Accord, and I can show that to you here in a second. And it is, only thing we did to it was we put rods in it. So we know the rods are weak. We bought the cheap rods off of from JBR, and we put them in there. So we gapped the rings as well. And like I said, this is just a A4, nothing crazy done to it. Besides the rods, it's 100% stock. And as you can see, K24A4. So I'm gonna torque the rest of this up and keep going. Alrighty, so yeah, we got the bolts all torqued up. I like to put a little bit of torque check or whatever on it, just so always do it on all the bolts that I have torqued up. So now we'll move to the clutch getting put on. Alrighty, so we got the flywheel and the clutch installed. If you look, we went with this way. I don't know if it's right. We can't find anything on the internet, and the internet's trash. But we went with the short side. It said FW on the other side of the clutch, so we're thinking that that's flywheel. And then we're now gonna bolt it up and see what it goes. One thing I will say about this kit is make sure ahead of time It does not come with the clutch alignment tool. Thank you, Kareem. And we had to use this shitty one. Who knows if it's actually right. And then it does not come with a throwout bearing. So just forewarning if you are getting this. Alrighty, so we cut the hole in the trans. Bam! Fucking mint. Recommend definitely not doing it by everything, because it, yeah. So, now, and because everybody said the ZF Trans is the greatest trans in the fucking world, here we go. ZF Trans, mounted up, going in this turd bucket. Exactly as dirty as Alrighty, so this is literally the first try of this. This is the swap. It's got no subframe spacers, our mount, ZF Trans, and the Skunk 2 intake manifold. Valve cover, Jesus Christ. Magnesium one, low profile. We're gonna see if this thing hits. Flip them both. Oh. Told you.
On the webbing now.
On the webbing. So we're on the webbing. So we're gonna cut out. Yeah. We're gonna cut out the webbing real quick. We're gonna cut a good bit out. Just cause I don't care. And then we'll be back. After my arms are already fucking worn out from the first two.
Yeah, don't do that.
Boom, just like that. Out.
No sweat involved.
No, it's pretty easy. And it didn't cut the hood. Maybe.
Let's flip that over and let's see what we got. Yeah, we know what we got, but you just don't want to believe what we got.
Womp, womp, womp.
Camaro cow injection.
So if you have a K20, you're fine. K24, not fine.
Close. Go ahead and see.
It's close. It's like right. I mean, you see.
Yeah.
That's it. I mean, you know what I'm thinking.
Got the fucking hood.
No.
What?
Fucking hit the hood.
Oh. Nice.
Worried about cheap stuff. Yeah, that's see. I think if this was gone, which I don't know if that's.
So
Harbor Freight special right here. So we're gonna cut a 4.5-inch hole through the frame because we're gonna just do the exhaust out there. ODB, baby.
tiny piece at the top is done.
This is way fucking harder than Honda's.
It's because it built better, bro.
Real steel German.
Ta-da!
That was easy.
Oh. So we got a list of things that we're never doing again. That's one of them.
Whoa!
And then you're gonna sit in there holding the Adam.
If that, yeah.
Ta-da!
Right on the fucking titties.
So after part 103, we were finally successful with a.
I don't know about successful. It's done.
It's done.
Success is measured in various different ways.
All right, so on to the next part.
So ODB 97 M3 4-door. That's where the exhaust is coming out of. We're doing a big turbo on this one. And of course, K-Series. So 42R, K-Series, K24. Only thing we've done to it is we gapped the rings and we put rods in it. We're just gonna send it. No, we're not gonna clean it. This is exactly how it's gonna be. Dream, can you grab a marker? Yeah. Thank you. So much trash in this thing. Not like we just got a dumpster. We can get rid of all of it. Huh?
You know everybody's gonna ask the same question.
What?
Why don't you take the carpet out?
Fuck that. Why are you gonna take the carpet out? That ruins all the fun. So this is our high performance measuring device. Come on. Hold on. Oh.
Let me get that marker back. Thank you.
How did that fall out already? Man, this is straight Harbor Freight right here, buddy. Pretty much.
That took a total of 4 seconds.
Let's get this. Can you bring a flathead? Medium. Because I'm too fat and old and lazy to get out of the car.
Okay.
So we'll get one. So I'll ask somebody who's outside the car. Thank you. When you use your snap-on, do your Harbor Freight stuff? Look at that. Wow. Just look at it. I'm taking weight out. Making this thing better. Just...
Smells fucking fantastic.
Milwaukee.
A little hazy in here now.
Yeah. It's like a Wiz Khalifa concert. Come on. Again?